FreeBird app review. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? Let's get some cash back when you take Uber. Let's get some cash back when you're riding on your Lyft rides. Let's get some money for referring people to the app as well. It's a relatively new app. You should have no problem getting people, referring people. If you don't have a website or a referral network, I'm going to show you a free website you can use at the end of this video where you can refer people to get money back from this app as well. All right, but first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Please hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. You don't want to miss anything. All right, so let's get right into this. What is this? Maybe you heard of it. Maybe your friends are talking about it. First of all, everyone uses Lyft. Everyone uses Uber these days. If you don't, I do have the referral codes for those in the links below as well. You get different discounts, free rides or whatever. I don't know. They keep changing the referral stuff. So at the time of making this video, I can't really say what it is, but you'll get something if you're not a member of Uber or Lyft yet. But I'm also going to give you a referral code for this app right here to get you some extra cash as well. All right, so this is called FreeBird, cash back on rides. And before we get to the reviews here, let's take a look at the home page. Work, travel, or play. There's a reward for every destination. Again, Google an app, or Google an iOS store. You can download the app. They paid out a bunch of money already. They have some ratings there. How it works. Basically, you take a ride and you get paid to go out. Safe rides here, equipment, blah, blah, blah. Some partners. Basically, when you download the app, you're gonna you're gonna log in through Uber or Lyft, and then when you go to a restaurant or wherever you're going, restaurant and bar owners, different places, when you shop at those places with your linked card, you're gonna get money back. Let me show you some examples. I'm in New York City, so these are 10 hotspots right near my location right now. The Smith, I get $4 cash back. So if I want to jump in an Uber and go there right now, meet some friends up, get some whatever, I get $4 cash back. They also have points, $250 or 250 points for this place. Japanese barbecue place here. Obviously, these will be different depending on your location. So that's pretty cool. And this is the login screen right here. Order your rides in FreeBird and get rewarded. So basically, you just let's ride with Uber, let's ride with Lyft. You can change between these two apps as well. And of course, you get $10, they get $10 when you invite friends. So please use my invite code right here. It's N9319. There'll also be a link in the video description below for the app and such. That way you're going to get $10 deposited into your FreeBird Rides account. And then after you complete your first ride, I'll get $5 or whatever. I don't know. You could read the stuff here. And again, these things could change over time. So really cool idea, really cool thing. There's some frequent asked questions here, and you can get paid out into your bank account and such. Let's take a look at the iOS store here. The ratings, 4.8 out of 5. That is really nice. Of course, there's some bad feedback as well, as usual. Let's take a look at the, what's this? Android, 4.7 out of 5. So pretty cool as well. And as usual, some bad feedback there as well. All right, so obviously, you know, use my link when you sign up. I'm sure you have tons of friends that use Uber and have tons of friends that use Lyft. You could just text them your referral code, and then you each get rewarded as well. And then you get even more referrals. You can use a place like Kits here. I use this quite frequently, this website. Put all kinds of different things. My cash apps, for example, here. I have different things if you want to take a look at these. Making money online, learn affiliate marketing for full-time income. My cash apps. I actually didn't even add this app in here yet, but I'll probably put it in here. All kind of other apps. And this is a free website where you could put all your referral codes and such. You know, all kinds of stuff here. And then you just click on these things. And bam, there's your referral code. There's the links to like Dosh, for example. And it's really easy to make these kits, as they call them, and it's really easy to add products. Again, it's just free. Like, for example, let's add a product. You just put your link here, or you can search for the product, upload an image, put a little description, and that's it. Pretty cool. So anyways, check out these things, folks. I highly recommend this app. Obviously, if you're using Uber or Lyft, it's a no-brainer. You get money back. Check my channel. I have lots of other ways to get money back. Lots of different apps that I use to get money back on things, make money, refer people. I do affiliate marketing full time, make money doing that. All kinds of really cool stuff. Anyways, that is all for now. I will talk to you soon.